Good morning, I'm Bob Keller from Don Johnston Incorporated, and I'm going to be doing a brief demonstration of using Snap&Read and CoWriter extensions within the Microsoft Edge browser. Until just recently, our extensions only worked with Google Chrome, but we've updated them so that they'll also give you the same powerful tools within the Microsoft Edge browser. Now, to add the extensions, I'm just going to have to get them from the Microsoft Edge store. And this is just one of many ways that you can get the extensions. It's the one that works for me. I just go to Microsoft.com, click the search button, start to type in extensions so I can get actually into the extension store. And then once I'm in the extension store, I'm going to go ahead and type the name of the extension that I want to add to the browser, and in this case it's Snap&Read. Press enter and then click on the Snap&Read extension. Click Get and then Add Extension. And in a couple of seconds I'm going to see another pop-up box that's going to show me that Snap&Read has been added to my extension bar in the upper right-hand side of the screen. And once that window appears, I'm going to close it and I'll be able to see the Snap&Read icon in my extension bar in the background. Now I'm going to add the CoWriter extension, and it's the same process. Type in the name of the extension, press enter, click the CoWriter extension, click Get, Add Extension, and again in a couple of seconds it's going to add the CoWriter extension. When that window appears, I am just going to close the window, and I'll see behind it that the CoWriter extension has been added into my extension bar. I'm going to go to a page with some text on it, and I am going to activate the Snap&Read extension. So this is a page on the science of Star Trek. Now, whether you've purchased Snap&Read or you've downloaded the demo version, you have a username and password. And only you have that username and password. And to log into either one of the extensions, I click on it, click Sign In. And now in this case, because we're a Google organization, I'm going to use my Google credentials. But if you're a Microsoft organization, you would use your Microsoft credentials. And I'm going to log in using my email address or whatever credentials I've got set up. And then in the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to see the Snap&Read extension has changed color to indicate that it's now active. And it's going to take it a second or two to actually download the extension from our website. Sometimes I just go ahead and refresh the page. But eventually the Snap&Read toolbar is going to show up on the right-hand side of the screen. And all of the tools that I'm used to using within Snap&Read are now available for me within the Google or within the Microsoft Edge browser. Same thing with CoWriter. In this case, I'm going to go to Microsoft Word Online, click on the Snap&Read extension, and I've already signed into this one, so you can see my credentials here. I'm just going to turn on CoWriter, and I'm going to wait for the CoWriter window to load. Again, it's just going to take a couple seconds the first time it needs to download the extension to your computer. If I'm feeling a little impatient, I'll go ahead and click the reload button. That may or may not make it any quicker, but in this case now you can see the CoWriter window appear within Microsoft Word, and I have access to CoWriter and or Snap&Read within the Microsoft Edge browser.